Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate dividend calendar tracking with Yahoo Finance. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate dividend calendar tracking with Yahoo Finance, start by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the Yahoo Finance homepage. If you do not have a Yahoo account, create one by clicking on the Sign Up button. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button and enter your credentials. Once logged in, look for the search bar at the top of the homepage. Type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock you want to track. Click on the stock from the drop-down suggestions to access its dedicated page. On the Stocks page, navigate to the Dividends section, which is usually found under the Overview tab. In the Dividends section, you will see information about upcoming dividends. To track dividend payments, you need to add the stock to your watch list. Find the Add to Watch List button on the stock page. Click on the button to include this stock in your watch list. Next, go to the My Portfolio tab located in the site's main menu. Select Watch List from the drop-down options. In your watch list, locate the stock you just added. Click on the Settings icon next to your watch list title. Select Edit and make sure dividend tracking is enabled. This will allow you to receive notifications about upcoming dividend payments. You can also adjust your notification preferences in the Settings menu. By enabling these alerts, you will stay informed about dividend dates and amounts. Return to your watch list to see the dividends listed alongside your stocks. Now, you are ready to keep track of your dividend schedule easily with Yahoo Finance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.